Hello friends, welcome to our series for financial economic news highlight for competitive and academic examinations. China slowdowns brightens prospects for Indian manufacturing as per experts. The growing tension between US and China over Taiwan may escalate into geopolitical instability, adversely impacting sourcing of inputs and equipments from world's second largest economy. The Chinese economic growth is expected to moderate to 3.5% this year due to various reasons, including disturbances in property sector and frequent COVID-induced lockdowns. These developments will have some positive spillovers for India. Rajasthan accounts for highest share in cost projects approved by banks in financial year 2022. State-wise data reveals that during 2021-22, more than half, that is 56.4%, of the projects were taken up in 5 states, that is Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, as reported by PTI citing the article titled Private Corporate Investments Growth in 2021-22 and Outlook for 2022-23. The RBI bulletin on Thursday revealed Rajasthan has accounted for highest share in the total cost of projects sanctioned by banks and financial institutions in financial year 22, that is 2021-22. The state has retained the top position for 2 consecutive years. Uttar Pradesh stood second, followed by Gujarat. Mobile handsets assembly imports to attract 15% duty, 10% for display only. Import of display assembly of cellular mobile phones along with backsport frames will attract a basic custom duty of 10%, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs said. But if other items such as antenna pin and power keys are imported along with display assembly, the duty on the whole assembly will be 15%. Work from home norms laid out for SEZ ITeS and ITeS employees. Here, all you need to know. Over the last few years, there has been quite a buzz around the new rules introduced for work from home under existing SEZ law of India. The new rules lays down categories of employees, primarily covering employees of IT and ITeS, SEZ units, employees who are temporarily incapacitated, employees who are traveling, and employees who are working outside, who shall be permitted to work from home or any place outside SEZ subject to a limit of 50% of the total employees' strength. Thank you.